In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rich text in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place beautifully formatted text in your app so your content looks clear, professional, and easy to read. First, go to Glide in your web browser. This is where you'll build and manage your app. If you haven't visited in a while, give the page a moment to load all your projects and the builder interface. Next, sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where all your projects are listed. If you have multiple apps, take a second to confirm you're using the correct one. This helps avoid making changes in the wrong place. Now, open the project you want to edit. Glide will load the builder with your app's screens on the left, a live preview in the center, and configuration options on the right. Remember, edits you make here are safe to experiment with. They won't go public until you publish. On the left sidebar, click Add in Components. This opens the Components panel where you can add new elements to your screen. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've selected the screen where you want the text to appear. Under the text category, click Rich Text. Glide will insert a rich text component onto your canvas. You can drag it to the exact spot you want and reorder it relative to other components, so your layout feels natural. Rich text is perfect for headings, descriptions, highlights, disclaimers, and any content that benefits from formatting. With the component selected, look to the right sidebar and edit the content. Here, you can either type your text directly or connect it to a data source from your project so the text updates automatically. Use formatting to improve readability, create clear headings, emphasize important words, add line breaks for breathing room, and include links where it makes sense. Keep paragraphs short so they're scannable on mobile screens, and watch your contrast and spacing for accessibility. If you paste content from elsewhere, double-check the formatting so it displays the way you expect in the preview. When you're happy with the way everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Confirm your changes, and your updated rich text will be live for your users. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the builder, adjust the content, and publish again. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.